Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to install Android apps in your Windows 11 operating system. So as you've seen here, I have recently installed the Flipkart application. It's an Android app. So this is the Android app preview. So you can also maximize this. So once you have maximized it, so this is how the app will actually looks like in your Windows 11 operating system. So like that you can able to install any Android apps in your Windows 11 operating system. So as you all know that Microsoft has recently announced the Android app support in the Windows 11 operating system, but presently in the Windows 11 stable users, this feature is not available yet. So Microsoft has recently announced this feature for the Windows Insider Program beta and developer users. But for installing Android apps, so there are more requirements needed, and I'll tell you one by one. And before that, to install Android apps, there are two different ways. So the first method is that so installing Android apps using the Amazon App Store. Microsoft has already announced that they are collaborated with the Amazon App Store to install the Android apps. And the second method is that so installing the Android apps by side loading. So that means you just need a Android APK file. So which app you need to install, so that Android APK only you needed, you can easily install that app in your Windows 11 operating system. Now in this video we are going to see the second method, because in the first method using the Amazon App Store you can't able to install more Android apps. So there is a limit on installing the Android apps. So now we are going to see the second method. So for that there is some of the few requirements. So the first requirement is your basic system configuration. So to install the Android apps, firstly your system need to be supported with the at least 8 GB or 16 GB of RAM, and your system is need to be supported with the SSD storage, and you must installed with the Windows 11 operating system, and that Windows 11 operating system need to be comes with the latest build. You need a more than 22,000 build version, and also so you need to be a Windows Insider beta or developer user. And I also posted a video regarding how to join in the Windows Insider program. So that is also quite easy. So just go to the settings option, and then here is the option called Windows Update. So once you go there, here is the option called Windows Insider Program. Just go here, and you need to just join in the Windows Insider Program, and after joining you have to select the developer channel. So this is the option here. So you have to choose the developer channel or at least a beta channel, then only you can able to install the Android apps in your Windows 11 operating system. So these are some of the basic requirements, and the next requirement is that you need to update the Microsoft Store. So for that you have to just go to the Microsoft Store, and then here you want to go to the, so just click on the profile icon, and here go to the app settings, and you just need to enable this app updates automatically. So and also the version is to be so more than this version, like 22,110.1402.13. so you need to be installed this Microsoft Store version, and then you need to go to the library, and here you want to click on the get updates. So just click on the get updates, and after clicking on the get updates, so some of the tools has been automatically installed in your Windows 11 operating system. So the main tool Microsoft has actually using that is the Windows Subsystem. So that means WSA. So this is the tool Microsoft is actually using to install the Android apps, Windows Subsystem for Android. So while I'm just clicking that, so this is a new tool. So using this tool only you can able to install the Android apps. And after that, once you have actually given the get updates in the Microsoft Store, and you can also get the Amazon App Store also. I am also already get the Amazon App Store. So here is the Amazon App Store. I have posted a separate video regarding how to install the Android apps using the Amazon App Store, but in this video we are going to use the second method. And next, the third requirement is the enabling the CPU virtualization. So for that, just go to the task manager, and in the task manager just go to the option performance, and here you will have the option called virtualization. So this virtualization option need to be enabled in your system. So in case if it is disabled, means you need to enable this virtualization in your BIOS or UEFI settings. So I have already posted a video regarding how to enable virtualization in your system. So you need to enable this in your BIOS settings. So that is also quite easy only. You just go to the BIOS settings, and then you can go to the advanced option. There is a CPU virtualization like that, so you just need to enable that. I also posted a video, so in the iCard you can able to get that video, so you can just see that reference and just enable the virtualization. And the next requirement is that you need to install the Android debugging tool. So that is a ADB tool. So for that you have to go to the website called Google Android debugging tool. So I have given the link in the description. So this is the link, so developer.android.com. so just copy that link in the description, and you need to go to your Chrome browser and just go to that link. This is actually the web page, SDK platform tools release notes, and here you have to just download the SDK platform tools. So currently we are seeing regarding the Windows operating system, so just click on the download SDK tools for Windows. So just check mark this and click on the download Android SDK tool. I have already installed this Android SDK platform tools, and once you have actually installed the platform tools, Android debugging tools, so I have actually placed it here. So this is a zip file. You have to just extract this. Just right click this and click on the extract all, and just click on the extract. So once you have extracted, so here is a folder called platform tools. So just open that, and this is the actual setup file. Just leave it that as it is. Now just go to the next requirement. So that is you need a Android APK file. So to install any Android apps, you need a Android APK file. So to download the Android APK file, there are multiple ways. You can just Google with the Android apps with the APK, but that is not that much trusted. So I am giving one of the method to download the APK file of any Android apps. So for that you have to just go to the official Google Play Store website. So just type Google Play, and here is the website play.google.com. so this is the official Google Play Store website. So in that, so just select any of the application as per your need. I am just searching for the app called Amazon. So this is the Amazon official application. So now you need to just copy the address, so in the address bar, and after that just go to the new tab, and here, so I have given the link in the description. Just copy that link and paste in your web browser. So this is a web page called apps.yavozi.com, and once you go to this page, so you have to just paste that copied link here, and after that click on the generate download link. So you'll get the downloaded link. So click here to download this option, just click on that. So after that, so now the APK file is actually going to be downloaded in your system. So to simplify that, just change this file name to Amazon. I'm just changing the file name to Amazon and click on the save. So now these are all the requirements. So now moving on to the procedure. So first of all, you need to do is that, so we have already installed the platform tools. So we have recently unzipped this folder. So in the unzipped folder, you need to copy the downloaded APK file in this folder. So this is the first method you need to do in the procedure. And the second step you need to do is that, so just search for Windows subsystem. So this is a Windows subsystem for Android. So just click on that. So this is the setting option. So in the Windows subsystem for Android, just click on the continuous here subsystem resources. So then only this subsystem will be always running. And after that, just enable this developer mode. And once you have actually enabled, so after that you will get the IP address. So this is the IP address. You need to just copy that, and you need to connect in your command prompt. So we'll talk about that later. But in case if the IP address is not shown, means you need to just go to the manage developer settings. So after that it will be automatically shown. So but in case this manage developer settings not opening like that, means, so for that only you need to enable the CPU virtualization. So that is we have already explained in this video itself. You just need to enable the CPU virtualization, then only you can able to proceed to do all these things. Now all the procedure has been settled. So just go to that downloaded folder, so platform tools. Now next thing we are going to do is that open the command prompt. Well, now in the command prompt, first of all you have to locate the ADB tools location. So for that, just here is a platform tools. So you have to just copy that platform tools location address, and then in the command prompt, so just type cd and then hit the space and paste the location of the ADB tools, though that means the platform tools, and then hit the enter. And after that, the command prompt is actually navigated to this folder, so that is called the platform tools. So just to confirm that the last section to be a platform tools, and in the platform tools only all the required files need to be available here, and in that folder only you also need to paste the APK file you need to install. This is a major requirement. And after that, on the next command you need to enter is that just type adb space connect space, and after that just go to the WSA tools and Windows subsystem for Android settings, and here is the IP address. Just copy that IP address, and after that just go to the command prompt and just paste that and hit the enter. That particular WSA IP address has been successfully connected. Now you need to type the next command, that is the adb space install, and after that hit the space. Now you need to type the APK name, so that need to be actually as it is like a file name you have actually pasted in the platform tools. So that is a amazon.apk. so that way I have actually pasted this APK as simple. So in case if you have a lengthy file name means, so just make it as simple as like this. Well, now I'm just typing the amazon.apk, and after that just click on the enter. So now it's actually performing streamed install is coming, and as you seen here the operation is actually success. So that's it. Now the Android app has been installed in the Windows 11 operating system. I'm just minimizing that and just click on the search, so or else click on the start button. So as you seen here, so this is the recently added, so Amazon has been recently added. Well, now I'm just opening the Amazon app, so which is the Android app. Now this is how you can easily install any Android apps in your Windows 11 operating system. So there might be some of the issues in some of the Android apps, because all the Android apps will not be supported, because some apps will be supported using the Google Play services only, like Google Gmail, like that. So you can't able to install all the Android apps, but in case if you want to play games, Android games like that means, you can install any type of Android games in the Windows 11 operating system also. So you no need to take your smartphone to play the game. So right from the Windows computer itself you can easily play the Android games. So these are all the some of the way you can easily install the Android apps in your Windows 11 operating system. But so this step is actually quite complicated. So you can also use the official version of the Amazon App Store, but in the Amazon App Store some of the apps has been limited, so some of the apps will not be available in the Amazon App Store. In that case you can try this method to install the Android apps. So you just need to follow some of the basic requirements, and after doing all the some of the basic setup, so you can easily install. So the thing is that you have to just paste the APK file in the platform tools folder, and after that you have to just open the command prompt, and in the command prompt you have to just do only 4 commands. So like you have to firstly navigate to that particular platform tools, and then you have to connect to the IP address, and you have to just install that particular APK you have put it in the platform tools, and that's it. You can easily install the Android apps. So the first setup procedure only you take time, and after that you can easily install any APK file in your Windows 11 operating system. Well, now this is the method you can easily install the Android apps in your Windows 11 operating system. Now that's all about this video guys, and in case if you're having any queries or doubts, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll maximum reply all your comments. And that's all about this video guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this video guys.